Excalibur picking up my new engine. A little surprise. Fine. Yeah, I already know. So like the seal on this is bad.
Well, we got a front crank seal that's blowing oil all over the place. So we're going to replace the crank seal. We'll pull the valve cover off, pull this whole entire timing chain cover assembly off, reseal all that, drop the oil pan down, clean everything up, reseal it, make it like brand new.
Brand new.
If we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. We ain't screwing around. We can't have no leaks.
No leaks.
No leaky, you know?
Yeah.
Okay? Fix it right the first time, Tony. Is that what they say? Or is that Fiat? Fix it again, Tony.
Definitely looks like a Toyota motor.
So we're going to pull this assembly out of here, pull the valve cover off, pull the front timing chain cover off, pull the oil pan down, reseal everything, clean it all up, make it look like brand new. Better than new, because I'm doing it. Better than new. It's
Better
gonna be
than
better
new.
than new always.
This is Chris.
Chris, hence how weird. Howard, they call me for short.
We want to thank Excalibur for getting us this
Brain.
frame.
All by the way.
Why do you have to say Mexican?
The Mexican.
We're going to call him the Mexican Monument.
The Mexican.
The Jew? Is that the Jew? The hillbilly gringo or the Mexican?
The hillbilly gringo, the Jew, the Mexican Monument.
That should be interesting.
All right, back your truck up.
Bought, not built.
Again? I told you.
Back it up here. Try and get stuck in that drain. Door. Come on.
You hit the chain roll. Lift it. It's a little easy to bring the fucking machine for us. Huh? To bring down the inside. Bring the fucking machine.
Still lifting here. That's pretty cool.
You lift it.
What machine?
This shit. The cherry picker.
That's right. Hey, all you YouTube fans, I'm over here with Justin Luchtag. He's here by spirit. He's not here today. He's out working, trying to make a few dollars. I get it. But anyway, this is a 2.4 liter in his engine trying to come out. I think I'm kind of close. This is a standard shift transmission. Trying to make a little headway here. I'm going to try to lift the lift up. See what happens here. I'm not quite sure if the engine's going to fall out. Rock and roll, or whatever it feels like it wants to do. If it falls on the ground and hits the ground, I'll be like, whoa, whoa, whoa! So anyway, let's try it out here for a second. I'm not some of the pieces, parts I took off. Just kind of threw them over in the corner. It's a very rusty job. I'll take you over here. This is the subframe, the intake manifold. I had to take the intake manifold off to try to get the wiring harness off. It goes right underneath, right through the intake. Without getting that out, the harness is never going to fly. Never going to fly. I think it's going to be in the clear. Going up, up, up. All right. I kind of think it is a success, folks. There it is. Whoa! 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 If you look real close in there, you see the piston rod is all banged up pretty good. Alright, folks. That's all I got for a minute till I get everything transferred over to the new block here. This is what it looks like. Everything's all out. Everything looks pretty decent. Nothing was cut, ripped out, tore apart. Everything was dismantled in what? A professional manner. A professional manner. That's how you do it. New engine going back in, sitting here. This is an automatic transmission this came out of. Of course, I have to pull the pressure plate, clutch, the flywheel that goes to that engine, and this one transfer everything over. So everything matches going back together. As you can see, this was taken out in a professional manner. Professional manner. Cut, rip, and tear. Only time will tell if this is a good one. We'll see what happens. Peace.
Whoa. Smoking.
That's it.
Smoking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, there's some oil that's burning off of it, coolant burning off of it, all kinds of stuff was all over, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Look at the fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! What? Whoa, whoa! Just kidding, just a little bit of burn off hanging on there from my hands. Lots of oil, lots of coolant going on here, touching exhaust, and it is what it is. It's not finished yet.
But it runs.
Just thought I'd give the family a little bit of a thrill for a moment here. Be sound, ready to go, get it out of my shop. Get out! Boom! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Get it! Get out! Ugh! Get out!
Alright, so Chris fixed it all up basically. And now the exhaust actually looks like it's supposed to.
Still a little bit of life left it. Then you get to this side here. See how it's all wore out here? Well, the fins are almost gone. This is your friction plates here.
Okay.
This is what grabs you, the clutch and the
Usually a
flywheel.
lot bigger than that.
Yeah, a lot more life left to it. Usually it's like this, but doubled on both sides.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
I'd like to show you the new one, but it's
Inside the car.
it's going in. It's going.
Awesome.
Holy shit.
I'm surprised myself.
Me too.
That thing was really rusted on there.
Well, coming out and ripped the threads out. I don't know how it's biting, but it's biting nice.
Making new threads of its own, maybe.
Actually, I can't even tell you right now.
That's surprising, honestly.
I am not kidding. I've never had one go back in like, don't go touch it, it's still hot.
Gotcha.
Let's see the threads.
Oh yeah, they're all like chewed up. I think he's about to try to start it up. Burping the system a little bit. Took it out for the first ride. Everything felt pretty good. All the gearing, the new clutch, everything felt amazing. It was pretty cool. Except the alignment needs to be redone a little bit, but so far so good. Some finishing touches.
Looks great right there.
Yep.
Yep. Alright guys, so we made it to Tim's house. So now the TC bros are back together. Oh my god. And I'm so happy about it, guys. You have no idea. This car is not perfect at all. My paint job sucked like a year ago. There's all these run marks, there's scratches, there's chips, there's all this crap. But I don't care. I don't care about this car like that. Like, I don't. This car was cheap, just has a new motor and all that stuff, but it's really fun now. You have no idea. Can't wait to see what this car can become. I'm pretty sure my all-time favorite part is the fact that everything on the exhaust is 100% okay. It's all tightened down. The twisted angle that I never really even talked about on the channel. Like the back, axle back part, like the person who previously owned it cut it, twisted it, and like, so nothing stock or like actually good fit correctly. So Chris had to twist it back and weld it back the right way. And now we got that nice, clean, straight fitment, boy, on everything. Chris, thank you so much. Thank you to the Excalibur Auto Body for the engine. Thank you everybody involved. It's been like a month without the TC, and they pulled it together within a week. So thank you guys so much. It's been an appreciation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hope Chris was entertaining for you guys. Alright, and we just gave you a little exhaust clip there, and hopefully you guys love the car. I know that the R33 still isn't here, and I'm sorry. It's not really anyone's fault. It's not Adam's, not mine, but whoever decided to previously paint the car. And when you guys see it on the channel, it will be on the channel. But for now, we got this back, and hopefully we can do some fun stuff in the future. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. It's been a hell of a ride this over last month with everything going on, but I'm glad to actually have at least one of my cars back. But again, thank you for watching. I always love hearing from you guys down in the comments below, so let me know what you're waiting for on the channel. Do you want more stuff about the TC, about Tim's TC, about Andrew's Miata, or are you just here for the R33? I mean, that's fine too. It'll be fun stuff to come about that one, but I'm just curious. But thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out, guys.